Okay guys, we're back. I got Windows 7 32-bit on here. We're gonna see if it'll load now. Excuse me. Come on. Yes. Anyways, on this netbook, the reason, well, obviously because the drive didn't work. The other reason why I replaced it is because this netbook has the eject button up here, which I don't like that. I like the one actually physically on the drive. See, this one don't have one. It just got the breather hole, the hole where you can put the paper clip into emergency eject, and then the light. Ooh, this thing's flying. Oh. Look. English, United States, yes. Install now. This thing's pretty loaded too. So, I mean, I'm like, wow. Ultimate. Custom. Unallocated space. We're ready. That didn't take long at all. Now we must wait. So, well, I'll see you in a little bit.